JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle, what it has to offer, why it's important for investment, what type of buildings, what type of amenities, what types of parks, what types of schools you have there, and why you should invest in JVC. This video is explaining in detail about JVC and whatever you need to know about this area, whether you are living in Dubai or you are out of Dubai. Welcome and stay tuned, share, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's start the video. So I thought, to whom we are really doing our videos? Our videos is for the people who are interested in real estate, and mainly who are not in the UAE or who are not living in Dubai, and who may be living in Dubai but they have never been in JVC, and now it's the time for them where the rent is increasing too much and they are considering buying their first home, and they don't have the time to round and go to each and every area in Dubai, which is almost impossible, to be honest, with the workload that we have, with the vibrant city that we live in. We finish our work a bit late and we are so much active in our daily time, and in the evening we want to spend the time with the family. So I took on myself this responsibility into opening the eyes of our clients, of our potential clients, or our nice subscribers and viewers, to show them what Dubai has to offer in each and every community. And in this series of videos, which we didn't name yet, we will give it a really nice name. We want to show what Dubai is offering of lifestyles, of facilities, amenities in each community that you might hear of, and you type the search and you don't find that much information. You want to see with your own eyes, like me, when I was looking personally to buy, I wanted someone or a video or a website where I can know everything about the community. At least I know 80 to 90% what this community has to offer and how it looks inside. So I took on myself this responsibility to show you what each and every community that we are recommending inside Dubai has to offer, why to invest in it, what's the lifestyle look like here, and what you can expect when you are buying an apartment from one of the developers that we offer here in the JVC, or in other areas that will come later in this series of videos, where we are explaining everything about the community. JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle, hosts different type of properties. We have the townhouses and villas, we have mid-rise apartments, we have amazing hotels like the 5 Hotel, and we have low-rise buildings as well overlooking the park, as you can see. And one of the nice things that you see in Jumeirah Village Circle, JVC, is innovative buildings that are using solar panels and renewable energy as a main source of energy in their buildings, as we can see in Signature Livings and Autograph and other projects that are now the focus of many developers is the sustainability, which is matching with the policy of the United Arab Emirates and Dubai especially. And if you are looking for school options for your kids, we have the GSS International School, and we have within the radius of JVC more than 5 to 10 options of schools that are international, that are American curriculum or British curriculum, and there is some of them, they have their own curriculum as well. So the options of education are plenty. In terms of kindergarten and nurseries, endless amount of options. Now, this allows for any family who is a small family ready to live in an apartment or a small townhouse, JVC can be a great option. Affordability, location, and facilities that is around this beautiful community. And your kids in Jumeirah Village Circle, JVC, they can enjoy running and playing in amazing castles. They don't need to spend time on mobile phones and tablets. They can enjoy real life activities in amazing parks like this, that they can run their imagination. They imagine that they are a pirate, they are a captain, a king of a castle, whatever they would like to do, they can do it in JVC safely, secured, away from cars, in a surrounded area that is perfectly done for kids, like for example, the padded bars for the kids' safety as well. It's amazing how much Dubai takes care of the kids, the environment that they run in, the way they play. Everything is secure, everything with sand. It makes me want to come back to be a kid again to play in Dubai. The kids in Dubai are really lucky. Now, while we are going to show you another facility in the JVC and another type of comfort living that is available here, I saw the streets in finished areas where there is no more construction, and you see it's really homey, it's really nice, it's quiet, there is a lot of greenery, buildings are beautiful, and that's the type of living that you can expect in the end when the whole JVC is finished. As we talked, it's in the 5-6 years that are coming forward, all the construction will be finished in JVC and the streets will look fantastic, green, as we will see now in a bit. And that's what I really like when I'm living in a community. I want to feel that it's comfortable. I want to feel that it's homey. I want to see a lot of greenery and not too much fast streets and wide streets where a lot of noise. As you can see here in front of us, look at the greenery, look at the shade. It's really beautiful. And this is what really attracting many people into the JVC and what Jumeirah Village Circle has to offer. This is the whole plan behind the JVC, that it's a very green, rich area. Transportation is already here by buses. It's so easy to catch a taxi in JVC because of the huge number of hotels, schools, and residential buildings. So taxis always passing from here. You have delivery for any type of food that you can think of. And there is so many options of restaurants that are available in this area. JVC was the start of developers like Ellington. Their first signature building was Belgravia 1. And that's where the story of success and a new standard of building entered into the market with Ellington. And then many developers followed the same success story, which is really, really amazing when you see that JVC was the nurturing ground for a new seed of a great story of developer like Ellington. And now Ellington is one of the biggest brands in the UAE. And when you mention Ellington, you link it into quality, into high-end development. And that's what's happening right now in JVC. There are many developers that are building their second and third and first project here in the JVC, and they are building it in high quality, so it can be the story, the beginning of a story of a lot of success moving forward. Many people, they expect that when we say Dubai, it should be dry areas, it should be a lot of sand, etc. We still have these speed bumps related to construction and pipes, but look, you have options of low-rise, you have options of townhouses and greenery in the streets. So many nice things that are available in the JVC. Here we have in front of us another park. It's like a lot of oases within the community. It's really beautiful. Look how green it is, how well maintained. This is the lifestyle of JVC. Parks everywhere. And now if you we'll put for you the photo from the Google map and you will see how many parks are available in the JVC. It's a tremendous number. And just to prove the point, we have an amazing park this side that has the most fantastic tree I've ever seen since a long time. And this park that has an amazing passage under the trees that is shaded and looking so beautiful, like it's somewhere out of Europe. Which one to go? I love the big tree, but I love the passage. It's really, really beautiful. It's taking you out of the atmosphere that people have in mind about Dubai. Dubai is like this, guys. We have the ability to make really green areas, to have super beautiful trees, and you walk in such beautiful green space, you feel like you are in a park in Europe. Look. So in that park, I was enjoying a European style of parks. And here, I'm in an Emirati oasis. Guys, look, it's so beautiful. Like, I've never seen such big leaves of palm, and I'm really impressed. Bravo, Dubai. It's really huge. It's really beautiful. Wow. One leaf is like smaller than it's bigger than my hand. My hand is smaller. If you don't drive and discover the JVC, you never know. But it's really beautiful. Having an amazing view over the park in JVC is like a winning ticket that your property is always in demand. And that's what we sell to our clients. We sold in Imtiyaz in their amazing project called Luxor. We sold in AYS with their project Kew Garden Loft 1, Kew Garden Loft 2. They have amazing views over parks and over the 5 hotel. And now, since we are very close to one of my favorite projects, Hamilton House from Ellington, and since we spoke about Ellington, I want to show you that it's very close to handover, and you have to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family who are interested in such type of videos, and wait for us, because we will do a video of the handover process from Ellington and what you can expect from such an amazing developer. All of the developers that we are dealing with, we deal with all developers in the UAE, but the developers that we recommend are the ultimate best in terms of the price, the quality, and the locations and what they are offering in their buildings. So we can always guarantee that our client, if they are going to rent the property, they are getting the highest return on investment. And if they are going to live in the property, they are getting one of the best lifestyles possible at the certain budget that they asked us to buy with. And here we are in the backside of Hamilton House. And as you can see, the cladding is already done. The building is going to look amazing. The balconies are very beautiful. They mix 2 types of their signature fence, the aluminum fence, and the glass fencing for the balconies. You will see a wide shot. There will be a lot of beautiful LEDs in the backside of the decoration that will make the building looks really fantastic. And I'm so happy for our clients who bought here, because the handover is very soon. And wait with us to see the handover process from such great developer as Ellington. The final stages of handing over a project or finalizing a project with Ellington and with the high-end developer, it takes a lot of time, because the details are actually everything about Ellington. About high-end developers, they take care of every simple detail. So when we do for our clients the snagging process and the engineering inspection, we almost find no even scratch inside the apartments that Ellington's deliver. And that's the type of developers that we always try to recommend to our clients, and we explain why. And in the coming video, where you will see us doing the handover for Ellington, you will see what we mean exactly. Now we are heading to the mall to refuel, because our bottle of waters have finished, and our videos takes a lot of time, takes a lot of preparation, and takes a lot of time when we are on the site, and it makes us feel really hot, it makes us feel really tired. So your support and your subscription helps us continuing doing such amazing videos. And by the way, this, Victoria, if you can show them, this project is from one of my favorite developers as well, HMB, where I invested my money with them, this developer. This project has been designed maybe 7 years ago and has been handed over around 4 or 5 years ago. And you can see it's still iconic, it's still very beautiful, and it still looks like it's just open. This is the quality of the details that we talk about. This is the premium level of the developers that we deal with, and we don't accept to sell our clients anything less than perfect within the budget that they consider. So if you tell me, Mohammed or Victoria or Jewel, any one of our team, Natalia, etc., my budget or our budget, me and my wife, is 1 million and we want a 1-bedroom that is nice, it doesn't mean that this is a low budget and I have to sell you whatever. Just no. We always consider the best options within this budget, and if there is a little bit extra that you pay and will give you much more, or sometimes we don't even exceed the budget, because we can cover all the requests that and the details and the priorities that you sit with us and tell us in our first interview or in our first call with you. You tell us all your requirements, and based on that, we filter and we provide to our clients the best options possible within this budget or within this budget range. It's not our target always to sell our client the most expensive budget, but yes, our target to sell our client the best thing available within their budget. Every client that we sell to, we consider as it's our money, and we are responsible to invest it in the best way possible. And in my opinion, this is the recipe of being successful in this business. In Dubai, keep in mind that you have to take a picture from where you parked, else you have to use one of the devices that look for your car inside the mall and guides you exactly where is it. But it's better to take a picture. Parking areas are massive in Dubai. Every mall has a massive parking.
Long day. Difficult day. But it's okay. It's gonna be an amazing video.
I love Spinis. The way they present their fruits and vegetables is fantastic, and the quality is second to none. Do you want natural juice? Pomegranate. You?
I think it's berry.
Okay. This is fresh every day. So if you don't want to take home and squeeze everything, you get it ready in the supermarket. Let's grab some water as well. Tons of options.
Welcome.
I love this self-paying machines. You don't need to wait. It's really helpful and quick. You tab your card and you're done. The nice thing that the mall has endless of shopping options and all types of shops where you need clothes, fixing things, batteries, rental cars, telecommunication, barber shop, laundry, of course. That's in every mall here. And there is a lot of options of restaurants as well, and pastry, cake, kids play areas if in case too hot for the park and you want to take the kid in the morning. There is a lot of kids play area, a lot of options of cafeterias, coffee shops, and whatever you need in this mall. But one of the things that really caught my eye the moment I landed in Dubai 11 years ago is the cleanliness that is available in everywhere you go. One of the things that I was looking for is how many times per day they clean the mall. Like, it's any mall you go to, it's extremely clean. Like the tiles are perfect. The ground is very clean. This is one of the play zone that you see. When we say kids play area, it's a massive kids play area. It's the dream of any kid to enter inside. And another supermarket, 2 big supermarkets in one mall, because it's Dubai. Why not? Plenty of coffee shop options. Let me know in the comments if you live in Dubai, what's your favorite brand or location for coffee shop. And in the end of the day, you find such vibrant, beautiful location to have a bite, have a drink, chill out, and finish the video of JVC. We are in JVC, and this Jumeirah Village Circle. This was our video today, showing you around JVC, why it's an important place to invest, what is the location, what you can get in JVC. As you see with us today, our videos takes a lot of time and effort and preparation. So it will help us perfectly if you can subscribe, share with your friends and family who are interested in moving into Dubai or into investing in Dubai, shifting their life into Dubai. These videos will help them a lot, and see you in other coming videos from the amazing city of Dubai. Take care. And now I'm gonna eat.